Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and proper good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. This is exciting. So we're making some bourbon brown sugar salmon today, and here are my absolutely lovely ingredients that I'll be using. Look at that beautiful salmon, beautiful pieces. So here I have a tablespoon and a half of all-purpose seasoning, and then I added 1 teaspoon paprika and 1 teaspoon black pepper. And now we are gonna combine everything together, give it a mix, turn, and that's it. Put it aside, right? So here I have my salmon and I want to dry them, right? So I'm going to flip them over, and then I'm going to take a piece of napkin and pat, and a pat, and then I'm gonna flip them back over, right, and do the same. So we want to ensure that they are dry because we're going to be frying them, and we don't want to get burned. We don't want the pop the oil to pop up on us, right? So here I'm just adding my seasoning, right? And I love to season my food, right? So especially any meat kind that I'm gonna be eating, I don't care what it is, I'm gonna thoroughly season it, okay? So you want to get it all over it, and then we're gonna flip it over on the other side and do the same, right? And you want to rub it in and get it everywhere, even at the sides, right? Because as I always say, everywhere I take a bite, I want my taste buds to be dancing and say anana, anana. Okay, so there it is. Beautiful. So we're going to preheat some oil. So I'm adding some oil to my frying pan, enough to fry the salmon. So here I'm adding 1/2 cup of bourbon, or you can use any whiskey, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and look at it. Look at it. Yes, it's going down. It's going down. Oh, yes. All of it. All of it. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. And here I've added 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then we're going to go ahead and just combine everything. Give it a nice mix. And this is smelling good. Smelling absolutely lovely. I just love the smell of these things, right? So that's it. So here we are adding the salmon. Make sure the oil is hot. Make sure it's really hot, because we are only going to be frying them on each sides for 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes. Look at it shrinking up. Just beautiful, beautiful. So 2 minutes on this side. And then we're going to go ahead and flip them over. Now, Vibes fam, salmon don't take long to cook, right? And we just need a little crisp on the outside, right? So, yes, 2 minutes, flip it over, and then 2 minutes on the next side, and then we're going to take it out. Because remember, we're going to be making some sauce, right? And we're going to be dashing them in the sauce and glazing them up. So, yeah, 2 minutes. And that is us. Let's take them out and just set them to the side, right? Beautiful. And then what we're going to do, we're going to pour out the oil into something, because we don't need, I pour mine into a metal container, a metal bowl. So pour out the oil. We don't need any oil in our pot, right? To do this, to make the sauce. So pour it out, and then you can take a napkin and wipe it out if you wish. Right? So look at that beautifulness. Beautiful. Look at them looking so good. So 4 minutes total, Vibes fam. Do not fry these completely through, right? So let's swirl and a swirl and a twirl and a twirl and throw it in the pot, right? And look at that sugarization. It's gonna caramelize, and then it's gonna get all beautiful and just turn to one big piece of niceness. By the way, at this point in time, the kitchen is smelling absolutely amazing. It smells so nice. So what we're doing, we are burning off the alcohol. So leave it Well, we're gonna give it a stir, right? We want to make sure that the sugar is just all the way in the pot, right? So yeah, give it a stir and then leave it, and it's gonna thicken. By the way, the stove should be on medium heat. Medium. So as it starts to thicken, this right here, this is important. You're looking for this. When you move your spoon through the pot, you stir, you should see where it's being separated, right? So you know it is thick enough. So we're going to go ahead and add the salmon, and then we're going to glaze them up with this beautiful sauce, and it's still going to continue to thicken, right? It's not done. But yeah, when you see the partition happening with the with the sauce, then definitely add the salmon. As I said, it's gonna get thicker. But go ahead and glaze. Oh my goodness, look at beautiful. Look at that nice color. Just gorgeous. Oh, gorgeous. So yeah, Vibe Sam. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add some W sauce, some Worcestershire sauce, right? And I'm adding a teaspoon. So you can add 1 to 2 teaspoons. So add the teaspoon, mix it up in the sauce, and then you taste it and see if it's good to your liking. 1 teaspoon was perfect for me, absolutely perfect. So we're going to continue to add. Oh my god, look at beautiful, that looks so good. And Vibes Fam, here we have it. Here we have this beautiful, gorgeous, look at that color, bourbon brown sugar salmon, and I absolutely wish that I could share. I wish. And what, did I dance? Of course I had to. When I'm eating good food, I bust the dance, and I certainly did, because this was one of them. I mean, it tastes amazing. Like, if you're looking for something different to do with your salmon, this is it. And as I said, any whiskey is fine, right? Yes, so even some Jack Daniel, yeah, that's fine too. If that's what you have, go ahead and use it. Tastes so good, Vibes Sam. Please try this recipe and let me know. Comment down below and let me know if you would try this. Guys, comment. It's free now, and hit the like button. It is free. It helps my video when you click the like button. Thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and go and follow me on Instagram. God bless you. Thank you.